So here we have a line graph, right? Let's do this step by step. At this point, if you like, you can pause the video and write an example of your own, and then play the video and watch as I explain how I'm making the changes, and see if you made the same changes or perhaps made different changes. Let's start. So number one, it says the line graph below. That's the subject. Instead, I'm going to say this graph. Below, again, remember, always delete below. Shows, I'm going to change it to describes. And then it says the number of students. I'm going to say the rate of students. Remember, number, we can replace it with rate because it's countable. And rate can be used both with countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, and then it says enrolled in 4 academic fields. This is where the question can help me. Here I have the verb enrolled, but if I read the question, it says the number of students registered. So I'm going to use this to paraphrase. So it's a freebie, really. So the rate of students registered at, okay, and then it says in 4 academic fields. You know what? I think I can mention it's only 4. So I'm going to say in the hard sciences, engineering, medicine, and arts and humanities majors. Okay? And then it says at Northview University. Do I have to mention this detail? No, I'm just going to say at a university. I am, however, going to mention the name Northview later at some point. Okay? So at a university, and then the question says between 1965 and 2005, I'm going to change it to from 1965 to 2005. So as you can see, and if you compare what we have up here to my example, you will notice that I have made plenty of changes, and now this sentence is completely paraphrased. What I want you to do is show me how you have paraphrased these sentences in these 3 examples that I just showed you. And in the comments, share your responses and let me know if you managed to make some additional changes, in addition to the things that I have showed you. All right, guys, that is it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe, and let other people know about these free lessons that are available. Please note that by becoming a member of the channel, you will have access to additional content and lessons and complete video tutorials for the IELTS preparation process. Thanks again, and I hope to catch you all in the next video.